So you want to check contacts on TikTok. So here's the real way to find who is actually using TikTok from your contacts. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile, then hit on hamburger menu. And now from settings and privacy, go to privacy section, and here we'll find sync contacts and Facebook friends. So now from this section, you must have to turn on sync contacts option first. So once you turn this on, just go back to your profile. Now look for the people icon with a plus, but if your interface look different, you may see it in here. Now wherever you see it, just go for it. Now inside Find Friends, you will see this option Find Contacts. Now inside Find Friends, now from this section, you will see people from your contacts who are using TikTok, usually connected through their phone number or synced contact info. And that's it. That's how you can actually find which of your contacts are using TikTok. Now you can easily find and follow them from here. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.